everyone, this is Kiki from Dongguan Yinuo. We are the direct factory that can help you to custom and manufacturing different types of zippers, including metal zippers, resin zippers, and nylon zippers. Here you can have a look of our metal zippers. We have different teeth color, including light gold, silver, bronze, gold, rose gold, gold, and gunmetal color. The size can be customized. The length can be customized. Also, the tape can be customized according to your requirement. The slider puller are all made by us. Yeah, you can custom your type or custom your logo on it. You can buy it by rolls, or you also can buy it by pieces. If you need zippers, please contact us. We are the professional zippers manufacturers. Dongguan Yinuo, contact us. Bye-bye.